So as a family member, I am inviting. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഡയറക്ട് സെല്ലിംഗ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിക്ക് ഒരു ദൈവമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ ദൈവത്തിന്റെ പുത്രൻ, ദൈവപുത്രനായ മൈ ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈലിലെ വരുംകാല ചക്രവർത്തി, വളരെ യങ് ആൻഡ് എനർജറ്റിക്. എനിക്ക് ഞാൻ കൊച്ചിലെ മുതൽ അറിയാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഒരു 18 ഇയേഴ്സായി ഈ മാനേജ്മെന്റ് കൂടെ. അപ്പോൾ 18 വർഷമായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് ഈ വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിനെ അറിയാം. ഞാൻ വളർന്ന ഓരോ കാലഘട്ടവും കണ്ടതാണ്. ഞാൻ പല മീറ്റിങ്ങുകളിൽ ആളുകൾ സഞ്ചരിക്കുകയും സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്ക് അത്ഭുതം തോന്നിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത്ര ചെറുപ്രായത്തിൽ ഇത്രയും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വളരെ വിഷനുള്ള ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വം. എന്താ പറയാ, എല്ലാവരും വളരെ സ്നേഹത്തോടും വളരെ ഭവ്യതയോടും പെരുമാറുകയും ഈ കമ്പനീനെ വലിയ തലങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ സാധിക്കുന്ന ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വം. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അതിന്റെ ഒരു മുന്നോടിയാണ് MITG വേൾഡ്. MITG വേൾഡിന്റെ മുന്നിൽ ശക്തമായി പ്രവർത്തിച്ചത് നിഖിൽ ചന്ദ്രനാണ്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും MITG വേൾഡ് എന്ന പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് വേൾഡ് വൈഡ് ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്നു കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇന്ത്യൻസിനെയും മലയാളീസിനെയും വേൾഡ് വൈഡ് അട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ആണ്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വലിയൊരു മാർക്കറ്റാണത്. ആ മാർക്കറ്റ് നിങ്ങൾ യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ വൺസ് അഗെയിൻ ഐ എം honored to invite our future director, my future MD, Nikhil Chandan. Nikhil, good morning.
Hi sir, good morning sir.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
I am all good sir. How are you sir?
Fine, fine, fine. Team is
I'm audible, right?
Yes,
yes sir,
tell me.
Welcome to our company, sir.
Hi Vinod sir, how are you? Hi Manoj sir.
Yes sir, yes.
Manoj sir is here. Vinod sir actually.
Hi Manoj sir. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Good. Sir, good.
Everyone are looking good. Hi Bobby sir.
Fine. I'm fine. Hey, you look like our Malayalam hero Fagad Fasil today.
No. Thank you so much everyone for inviting me. First of all, I want to personally thank Team Success Berry Global. Thank you so much, Manoj ji and Vinod ji, truly inspiring leaders, for inspiring me, for inviting me today. You all, sir, am I audible, right?
Some challenge was there. Some challenge.
Yeah.
I can talk now. Hello.
Yes sir. Yes.
So like you all leaders, all family members of Team Success Glory, Success Berry Global are very much lucky, because there are some points I want to highlight. Maybe sometime I haven't spoke about these points, but there are some points like this team is hello.
Yes.
Some sound is coming, I guess.
Yeah. Some. Let me switch off everybody. Sir, you can go now, sir.
Yeah, so I was telling you, all leaders are very much lucky. There are some points that I haven't spoke about today. Why you family members of Team Success Berry Global are famous? Because boss, I have traveled all over South. I have traveled all over Kerala. I have traveled all over Tamil Nadu. I have traveled all over Karnataka. But this team has something different from others. That is point number one. What I personally feel. First time when I met Manoj ji and Vinod ji was at Dubai.
Yes,
I came there. I received them at Sharjah Airport, I guess. That was Sharjah Airport, right, sir? Sir, there is some difference in your team. The first difference, what I personally think, right, is you all are very lucky, because this is the only professional team in entire South India. I think it is number one team, because it is the only team who gives personal and professional training to help their people to grow, to help their people to show how to reach faster, how to grow faster. And your top leaders are the example. 1.5 years back, or sorry, 2 years back, I have seen them. Their rank was NTC. Within 1.5-2 years, today their rank is ITC. Today, on their assurance, I can tell you, in next 1 year, boss, in next 1 year, I'm going to see these leaders, your ITC leaders, as diamond of my life.
Yes, sir. You can definitely guarantee.
Right? It is a very huge point there. Then I want to thank all team members of Team Success Berry Global, right? Thanking from our NTC sir Suresh. Then I want to thank our, I have noted some names. I want to thank Mr. Altaf ji, RTC Ceiling Achiever. I want to thank Nishan ji, RTC. I want to thank Mr. Shamshuddin ji, RTC. I want to thank all STC and above leaders, right? Bobby sir told me to take all STC people's name, but I told Bobby sir one thing, sir. Today, if I take STC people's name, they're under, like, they should be willing to achieve some goals.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, I promise I will take all STC people's name once they reach NTC level people. Once they reach, because inside there should be some fire, right? That is the only reason. Then I want to thank every single person of Team Success Berry. My dear friends, today I'm not going to take more time. I'm going to talk personal some things with you. First, about my journey, how I came into my lifestyle. Second, when you go in field, lots of people ask you, sir, your company is number one, your payout is number one, your products are number one. But sir, when will this company, what is the future of the company? Every company is good, every company's product is good, but what is the future of the company? Today I'm going to discuss with you. What is going to be the future of this company? And what is my personal vision towards? What is the personal vision regards my lifestyle and what is my DigiWorld? Very small points I'm going to talk to you. My dear friends, today it is a huge factor. Today my family is very big, right? A lot of top leaders know this. If my dad wants, he can open a 100 crore, 200 crore, 300 crore company, right? He can open a manufacturing plant and he can make me a managing director of that company. It is just a peanut, right? If my dad wants, he could have done like that. But my dad's vision is to take this company. Today I'm in this company because my dad's vision is to take this company, to take this my lifestyle generation to generation. That's why today I'm in this industry, or else today I would have been some XYZ company's managing director, right or wrong. That's why his vision is to take this company to generation. Next time, if in field anyone asks you, sir, when will this company end? Just show them my picture, tell them, and I promise you that this company, it's gonna be generation to generation, right? This is my promise to everyone. After that, if I talk about my childhood memories, right? When I used to be in school, like my dad always used to tell two things in my life. I have never forgot these two things. First, he tells that he told me in Hindi that Nikhil, is दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी चीज relationship है. In this world, the biggest thing is relationship. And Nikhil, जो तेरे आगे बाजू जो लोग हैं, हमें उनको आगे लेके जाना है. The nearby people whom you are associated with, we have to take them further ahead. He told me, Nikhil, one thing. Nikhil, I don't know what you're going to do in your life, but remember two things in your life. He told me in Hindi, पहला, निखिल, जो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए होते हैं, the people who are associated with, never break their trust. कभी भी उनका भरोसा मत तोड़ना. दूसरा, सेकंड, निखिल, हर एक आदमी जिंदगी में आता है. Everyone come in this life. हर एक आदमी जिंदगी से जाता है. Everyone goes from this life. फर्क नहीं पड़ता तू तेरे पीछे है मेरे पीछे. It doesn't matter. After my death or your death, you keep behind 100 crores, 200 crores, 300 crores. सोच के देख, just imagine. अगर तेरे जाने के बाद या मेरे जाने के बाद, after your death or after my death, if we do something good for our people and leave from this world, God will give us good blessings. My dad always used to tell me this. I used to think, why my dad always tells me this? Because the school which I studied, Chennai is #1 school. I studied in Chennai. The school's name is Lady Endal. My schoolmates, my classmates, big politicians' sons' daughters, big actresses' sons' daughters, big real estate sons' daughters. They were my classmates. They were my schoolmates. right? I used to think, yeah, I used to go school in the lavish big car. I used to think, yeah, I have everything. I have everything. I have luxury life. But still, why my dad used to tell me like this, right? And I will show you one secret, right? I have never shared this before. Excuse me. Friends, I'll show you one thing. I have never shared this before. That was from before. If I talk about my past memory, no, I don't used to talk with my dad so much because before there was a time where my dad used to travel 25 days a month. Before he used to travel 25 days a month. Just imagine me as a son. I used to be very much frustrated. I used to think, yeah, why my dad doesn't give me so much time. I used to think why my dad doesn't give me so much time. I used to think why my dad doesn't give so much time to my family. When my report card used to come, my mom used to come, or else my dad's manager used to come to take my report card. I used to be, yeah, my friends used to ask me why your dad doesn't come. So I had no idea. Because of that, I used to talk very less to my dad at that time. Right? My difference, I still remember after completing my 12th, I went to college. I told my dad, Papa, I want to go USA. I want to go there. I want to study. I'm not interested to study in India because I was a person. I still remember. I was a person in Hindi or in English. It is said a rich brat kid. I was like that. I won't lie. I'm not shy anymore towards talking to anyone. I was like that, right? Before, if I ask my mom or dad, I need 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees, I used to get. I had that kind of lavish lifestyle. I had no dreams before joining my lifestyle. I had no dreams. I was just thinking that today what I want to do. I wasn't serious in business. I wasn't serious in studies. You would have seen movies, how English movies or how Hindi movies or Tamil movies, rich kid used to be. I used to be something like that, right? Because I used to do what I like, right? Because I was a person like that. When I was in college, I told my dad, Papa, I want to go USA. Papa told me, done, Nikhil, if you want to go, you can go. It's your life, it's your choice. You can do whatever you want. That time, I just told my dad one thing, Papa, that is okay. When I go USA or when I start doing college in that, my friends are gonna just ask me one question. Nikhil, what is your dad's business? Because I still remember when I was in school, my friends used to ask me, Nikhil, what is your dad's business? I didn't have any thinking. I didn't, because till the age of 18, I had no sense. Till the age of 18, I had no idea what is my dad's business. Because that was a time when my dad used to travel 25 days a month. I am from a Marwadi family. If you have any friends in Marwadi, right, just ask them what is their family business. They'll tell you two options. One will be metal market, and the second option will be gold business. I used to tell my friends I am in metal market, but I wasn't in metal market at that time, right? I used to ask my dad, Papa, I just want to understand one thing. Tomorrow, if anyone asks me about our business, what is my lifestyle or what is our business, I can at least tell him something. I just want to understand 2% of our business. Papa told, okay, done. You do one thing. After 1 week, there is one event in Delhi. You come there. I was thinking, okay, then Papa, I will come to Delhi. I went to Delhi. There was my first event of our company. I went to Delhi. Then I saw a lot of people were sitting there. I had no idea who are these people. That was my first event of my lifestyle. And the video is still there in YouTube. The first day Dad introduced me near a lot of people. He just told one thing near 5,000 people. He called me on stage and asked me one thing. Nikhil, he told me in Hindi that time. Nikhil, मेरे बाद मेरे लोगों की जो भी चाहत है, मेरे लोगों के जो भी सपने है उसको पूरा करेगा. I told yes. A lot of people clapped. I came down. I saw something that day that implanted me, that crazed me like anything. I went back to Chennai. I told Papa, I want to join my lifestyle. I have 9 months time and I'm very clear. I'm going to USA for my further studies. But before that, 3 months, just 3 months, I want to learn what is my lifestyle. Because if someone asks me, Nikhil, what is your dad's business? I can tell him, boss, this is my dad's business. And even I don't feel ashamed, right? So, my dear friends, I was 19 years old, right? I was 19 years old. My dad gave me two options. Nikhil, where do you want to go for field work? One was Mumbai, the other one was Calcutta. You ask any youth, why do you want to travel? Why do you want to enjoy your life? What he will tell? He will tell Mumbai, because Mumbai is a place like that. That's why even I selected Mumbai. I was very clear on my mind. I will go to Mumbai. In a week, there are 7 days. I will enjoy 5 days like anything. I will do party 5 days like anything. 2 days, I will do field work. Dad won't get to know what I'm doing in Mumbai. But for me, it wasn't easy. When I went to Mumbai, the first thing Dad did with me was, first of all, I want to thank. When I went to Mumbai, Dad introduced me our company's first Royal Diamond, Mr. Rajesh Yadav ji. For him, a great claps I want from everyone. Then I want to thank our company's Royal Diamond, second Royal Diamond, Mubin Mohammed ji. For him also a great clap, because I'll tell you why I'm taking this all people leaders' name. My dear friends, my dad had two options. My dad had two options. Send me Mumbai. Option number one, send me Mumbai. Tell some XYZ leader to come to my home without doing field work. Tell me what is what is my lifestyle. That was option number one. And directly give me the top position. That was option number one. And the second option was, remove all my luxury life, keep me under a budget, remove all the transport facility what I have, remove your name, remove your identity, and learn from the scratch. He had two options. He selected option number two. And I want to thank my dad, and I want to thank all the leaders. I want to thank all the management, because when I went to Mumbai, I still remember he kept me under a budget of 5,000 rupees. It wasn't easy for me. I was a person. I still remember I was a person. I used to spend 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh a day. I was a person like that. I had a luxury life like that. But when I went to Mumbai, he told, Nikhil, you had to stay in a budget. He gave me 5,000 rupees, not 1 day, or not 1 day, or not 1 week, but for 1 month. It wasn't easy for me. Now I can tell you it was easy. But that time, I swear to God, I was crying that day. My dear friends, initially, I used to make issues with dad. Initially, I used to stay with my Bade Papa's family at South Mumbai. First 4-5 days, what I used to do, wake up morning 8:30, book a Ola cab, and I used to travel Thane every day to Thane. It used to take almost 2 hours. South Mumbai to Thane, it used to take 2 hours. I used to pay in Ola 800 to 850 rupees, right? For coming 800 to 850, for going 800 to 850, right? So initial 4-5 days, I started traveling like that. 5th day, my money started getting over, right? I called my dad, please can I get some money? Dad was like, sorry, I told you have to be in the budget. It's your mistake. Now you see how you can handle it. I called Rajesh Yadav ji. I told, sir, please can you help me? You tell me, or you please talk to dad. Please give me some money. I swear to God, I told Rajesh Yadav ji. That day, Rajesh Yadav ji, I want to thank him, because that day in my life, I have never traveled in a local train. But because of Rajesh Yadav ji, he first 3-4 days he came with me. He told me, sir, you have to come out, you have to be in the station, you have to take you have to take that platform, you have to take this train. First 4-5 days, he made me train like an independent distributor. My dear friends, I'm not joking. Second week, I started making issues. I called my dad. I told Papa, it is so much of traveling. Do you have some other distributor who stays near Bandra area or who stays in South Mumbai? It is so much of traveling. You know what my dad did? That day, I started feeling guilty. Rajesh Yadav ji used to stay in Thane, and every day I used to go Thane for field work. From South Mumbai, I used to travel Thane. What my dad did, that day I started crying. Matlab, I don't have any words for that feelings. I still remember in Thane, he booked one lodge. My dad in Thane, the luxury life what I had at South Mumbai, that was removed. What he did when I started complaining, Papa, I have so much of traveling, how will I manage? What he did, he booked one lodge, 2-class lodge. Right? In that, there was no AC. 1 month. Friends, 1 month I was staying there without AC. Rajesh Yadav ji, he came, he saw the place. He started feeling guilty. He told, sir, leave this everything. You come shift to my place. My home is nearby. I told, no, sir. My dad gave me one challenge. I have to accept this challenge. And I was very clear, 3 months, I want to do serious hard work, serious field work. So my dear friends, why I am sharing you with this? Because for me, if my dad would directly have shown me or told me, Nikhil, you can sit in top and directly, simply, you can handle all things, it wasn't easy for me. It wasn't easy for me to share things. But today I have done field work. I have felt every distributor's pain. I have traveled in a local train. I have traveled in a budget. Normally, a distributor comes in my lifestyle, he doesn't have a money. He doesn't have a transport vehicle. Today, I can tell proudly, I have felt all distributors' pain who have joined my lifestyle. Today, I can tell we can make this company a global world number one company, my dear friends. Because I have seen all this pain. My dear friends, today, after having so much of money, I will tell you one thing. I guess a lot of leaders knows about this. Boss, today, if I don't work, then also I have money. After 5 years, or 10 years, or 20 years, when my kid will come, if he doesn't work, then also we have money. Because today, we are in different industries. Direct selling is one industry, but beside this, we are in different industries. But still, why I am doing field work? Because I have seen one thing. I still remember I was in Mumbai. There was one hall called Shanmugananda Hall. There I was sitting there. I was sitting there. That was the first day I heard my dad's speech. After the speech, it turned me around. It turned me around means how my lifestyle have changed your life. Same like this. My lifestyle has changed Nikhil Chandan 360 degrees. I will tell you how it has changed. Excuse me. Friends, after the event of my dad's speech, I was in Guwahati with Mr. Rajesh Yadav ji doing field work. After 3 months or 4 months, my dad called me. He asked me, Nikhil, what have you decided? You told after 4 months, I will come back to Chennai. I will pack my bag. I will go for admission and I will leave for USA. He asked me. I told, yes, Papa, you were right. But this my lifestyle has changed me. First, I used to think this my lifestyle is just a normal business. But that day, even I was in Shanmugananda Hall. That day, you have told a lot of people one thing, that God has selected Praveen Chandan to do something for India, to do something for my lifestyle. That day, I have promised my dad, like that, God has selected us, next generation, not only for India, but do something for all my lifestyle global family. Right? And that day, I have promised my dad one thing, that how much our struggle you have done, how much our mehnat you have done, I promise you, the 5 times mehnat I'm gonna do, and till my entire death, I'm not gonna leave my lifestyle. This is my promise to my dad that day. My dear friends, my lifestyle is not a normal business. My lifestyle, I thought initial stage it is a normal business like some other business. But today, what I see in my lifestyle, today, lakh and lakh people's life is attached in my lifestyle. That's why today, my dear friends, I'm so much attached to this system. My dear friends, I promise you, entire family of my lifestyle, your life's goal, your life dream is my responsibility.
Thank you very much, sir. We are so honored.
Friends, I have a vision regarding my lifestyle. As I started growing in my lifestyle, I had a lot of vision. Before starting this vision, sir, I won't take much more time.
You can
Maybe
take
I
any
will-
time, sir. You can any much time. No issue.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. You can.
Because
No
first
issue.
time, I don't know why I'm expressing so much. I personally feel that this is
We
my
are enjoying,
personal.
sir. We are listening. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Sir, there is one personal thing I want to share. 3 years back, I have one friend. He was my schoolmate. He was my college mate. Right? His name is Yuvraj. Right? We used to be always together from childhood. Like he used to be my best friend. His younger brother, I used to see him in a different angle because I still remember 3-4 years back when he was giving his board exams. I met him, right? I asked him, what is your goal? What is your planning in everything? Simply, like just to boost his moral because he was giving his 12th exam. My friend's Yuvraj's younger brother. I asked him, what is your goal planning in 12th and what is your future planning? He told Nikhil Bhaiya, my goal planning is in 12th, I will score 93%. And when I score 93%, there's one college in Chennai called Loyola. There I will get admission. And in this course, I will get admission. And when I get this course, after 3 years, I'm going to do MBA in this city. And after that, I'm going to do in this business. I'm going to set my business like this. I was shocked because the 12th standard guy giving a vision and a mission, giving a vision, giving a goal planning and talking about future like that, I was impressed by him. I was totally impressed by him. I was like, yeah, he's gonna be a big person one day. I told my friend Yuvraj, I told boss, he's gonna be a superstar one day. I'll write and tell you. Right? Matlab, I was seeing first time I was seeing a person like that who is very much more clear in his life and who is very much more clear in his goals, right? So after when he started his writing his 12th exam, I asked him in between, how was your 12th exam? He told Nikhil bhai, exam was fantastic. After 3 months, after giving his board exam, after 3 months, me and Yuvraj were sitting together, right? I was much more eager for this person, right? Friend, this is a personal story. After 3 months or 4 months, when his board exam results came, right? I was so much excited for his results. I took from his brother his roll number, his password. I typed his roll number and password. I saw he scored 88%. 88%, it is a beautiful marks. 88%, it is a beautiful marks. If you ask me, 88 is a sentence for me because I used to be very low in my studies. I'm not like my dad. He is very good in his studies, but for me, 88 is like a sentence, right? I told his younger brother, I told his dad, Yuvraj's dad, you don't have to worry for admission. With my influence, I will do your son's admission. You don't have to worry. You don't have to give me a single rupee. Because 88 is a good mark. His dad told, yes, Nikhil, I do admit, but who's going to make him understand? Yuvraj's younger brother. I thought, life goes on like this. 3-4 days, he will be disappointed. And life will be like that. He will take easily, he will take challengingly. Next time, he will improve himself. But maybe I feel I should not share this, but somehow I feel why I'm sharing this is I'm giving message to everyone. Yuvraj's younger brother, after 1 week or 1.5 week, I guess, he has done suicide just because of getting 88%. My dear friend, just think, in India, lot of people are there who are doing suicide because of getting wrong marks. In India, a lot of people are there who are doing suicide not because of getting right platform. In India, a lot of people are doing suicide because of not getting a right job. In India, a lot of people are doing suicide not because of getting right education. This is fact of India. Not a lot of farmers are doing suicides. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Why?
Right.
Why? Just one thing. I feel, my dear friends, my message to entire youth, is just one thing. I want to ask entire youth, my dear friends, why I tell this? This thing I take personally in my heart. Why? First wave of lockdown, I saw in one newspaper, third print of Times Now. It was written in the first wave of lockdown in India, nearby 2 crore. In India, nearby 2 crore youngsters who are educated left from their job, removed from their job. This was a report from Times Now. And India is a country where uneducated people are more than educated people. You accept this or not? India is a country of like that. My
Yes.
dear friends, my vision is towards youth. My vision is towards youth. I want to ask entire youth that why don't you guys take direct selling as your career?
Yes.
I want to ask everyone, my dear friends, I want to ask everyone, why don't you guys take direct selling as a career? Today, take any business. We youngsters, today, no company will tell you one thing from the managing director side or from the management side. Today, I am giving assurance to every single youth of India. Maybe you're doing a job. Maybe you're from some other industry. Maybe you're from some other company. I'm giving assurance today. If your age is 21, today, if you're starting my lifestyle, I can write and give you a written guarantee till the age of 26, till you turn at the age of 26. And if you do my lifestyle full time, just to 4 or 5 years, I can write and give you guarantee till the age of 26, you all will be financial free. This is Nikhil Chandan's promise to entire youth, right? My dear friends, what is direct selling? Why I am telling, I just give a small example of direct selling. Maybe today, the thinking what you think of direct selling, it will open your brain. There is one company of Bata. It has 2 salesmen. One is positive, one is negative. The boss calls both salesmen, the positive and the negative. The boss tells them, congratulations, you both are selected to go Africa. You guys have to go Africa and see what is the scope of selling the shoe, right? Negative person, he thinks, yeah, boss always catches me. And Africa is a place, there is lots of sun, there is lots of heat, there is lots of unemployed people, there is no scope in Africa, yeah, but boss always catches me. But positive people, you know what he thinks? Positive person, he thinks, yeah, I'm such more lucky that out of lots of salesmen, boss only selected me for this opportunity, and I always had a dream to go Africa. 2 salesmen reaches Africa. They work in a Bata company. 2 salesmen reach Africa. They do analyze in their way. Positive person analyzes in his way. Negative person analyzes his way. Right? After doing the research and everything, after coming back 1 month, after 1 month to India, boss calls them back. They ask, what is the report? Negative person tells, sir, company will bear the hugest loss. Company will bear a huge loss if we do our business in Africa, because in Africa is a place where no one wears shoes. Africa is a place where no one wears shoes. Our scope will not be high in Africa and company will do a huge loss in Africa. But positive person, what he says, sir, I can write and give you, company will do the highest turnover in Africa Because Africa is the only place where no one wears shoes. We can sell shoes to everyone. So this is how direct selling in India works. Today, if you ask me in direct selling, how much people join direct selling in India? Today, just 1% of today, just 1% of India's population have joined direct selling industry. I am telling you, there's a report by KPMG in 2025. You will see Indian direct selling turnover 64,500 crores.
Yes.
It is a huge mark. Just think, in next 4 years, today our direct selling, Indian direct selling turnover is around 11,000 or 12,000 or 13,000 crores. Just think, in coming 4 years, how much turnover it's going to be. Just think, the business what we had 20 years before, every year the 20 years business is going to be. It is the sales of direct selling. It is a huge market of direct selling. My message to entire youth is one thing. My dear friends, I'm not against any job or any profession. But I'll just ask you one professional answer. We do UKG, we do LKG, we do first standard, we do fifth standard, we do 10th standard, we do 12th standard. After 12th, we do graduation. After graduation, we do post-graduation. From a UKG to a post-graduation person, how much year it takes? Nearby 23 years. Nearby 23, 24, 25 years, I'm presuming. Right? After 25 years, if that person sits 6 months at home, thinking, what should I do in my life? Should I do a job? Should I do a business? In that thinking, your family people gives you pressure. This much time I have invested in your studies, now get me something. And because of that pressure, in India, 89% people does jobs and 11% people become entrepreneurs. That's why India is lacking today. If India wants to be a world leader, not only in India, not only in Asia, but India wants to be a world leader, India should create lot of job employment. And India should give lot of people entrepreneurship in direct selling. That's how India is going to grow. If India does this, India is still going to go down. This is my thing, seeing India's growth. My dear friends, my vision to entire youth is one thing. If you want to be successful in this business, you don't have to come this business as a part-time. If you think this business is part-time for me, I don't think so. This business will help you. And from the way of the management, I'm telling you one thing. If you think that if I join my lifestyle, in 1 year I'll be crorepati, wrong. I will join your hands and tell you, boss, this is not a scheme. This is some other business like a normal business. We mind management always tells one thing. If you are ready to give 4 to 5 years to this platform, not part-time, full-time, then only we can assure you that you're going to be a crorepati in this business. A message from my management, right? My dear friends, one key to this business, if you want to be successful in any business, take in direct selling, take in traditional business, take in online business. First key to business is just one mantra. This I personally feel. That mantra is, before recommending our products to anyone, we have to use the product.
Yes.
Right? We have to use the product. I will tell, I'm not pinpointing any leader. I will tell my own example. Initial stage, 1 year of my lifestyle. My dear friends, 1 year of my lifestyle, I was very good in marketing things. I used to sell a lot of products, right? But what happened with me was, I was giving 95 to one of my cousin, right? He told Nikhil, your product your product packaging is superb. Your product taste is superb. But Nikhil, what are the ingredients of this product and how this product will help me? But I didn't had any, because I didn't use this product before. This 95, before I didn't use it. What I did, I started using 95. I saw where this product helps me. I started using product training. The major key for me was when I started using my own products, then only it was easy for me to recommend our people. My straight and simple point is, I want to ask everyone one point. I can see the screen. I can see the screen. I want to ask everyone one point. Sir, how much people are here who are using my DigiWorld product? I want to ask everyone one thing. Sir, how was our My DigiWorld launch? If you guys can do this, I can see everything. Everyone. You guys loved our My Digi launch?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
sir,
yes.
yes,
It
sir.
was really fantastic, and we are using the product platform. It's a wow product. It gives a wow result. Everybody, there's so many people, more than 120, 125 people are using in this screen. They all are satisfied, sir.
Right? Sir, I presume in this meeting 363 people are there. Okay.
Yes, 400 plus.
These 363 people are telling, sir, we all love the launch of My Digi World.
Yes.
My second question to everyone is, how much people loved our product? First question was, how much people loved the launch? Second question is, how much people love the product? I want to see everyone's thumbs up or something like that.
Everybody who use the product are very much satisfied. And you
Right?
can thumbs whenever whoever is using the product.
Okay,
Yes.
I presume everyone has done this. So
Yes.
again, 363 people have done this, right?
Yes.
My third question, how much people have subscribed it?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, how much people have subscribed it, sir?
Subscribe ചെയ്ത ആൾക്കാരൊന്ന് കൈവെക്കൂ മൈ ഡിജി വേൾഡ്.
I presume only 30% people from your team, sir.
Yes.
I'm not insulting anyone.
No.
Don't take me in a wrong way. I see this team as my personal team.
Please.
That's why I am telling.
Yes, sir.
Boss, if you want to be successful in this business, before recommending, you have to use the product.
Yes, sir.
If you don't use the product, how will you recommend people? If example, I am a distributor of your team, I am very good if I have recommended two people from different cities, right? If that person asks me any doubt and I am his upline, right? If I am his upline, if he asks me any doubt, what will I do? I will call Bobby, sir, I have one doubt. That is wrong. That is totally wrong. First, you have to use the product. I personally, from my management, I will tell, don't recommend the product. First, use the product. First 2 months, 3 months, use the product. See how is our product here. This world-class, famous product we have made. This is the only product in direct selling. No Indian direct selling industry has this product. No Asia direct selling company has this product. No world direct selling company has this product. This product we have exclusive made for our My Lifestyle distributors. If you guys don't use the product, what is the meaning of launching this product for yourself, for ourselves? Am I right or wrong, sir?
Yes, 100% right.
My only point and only request to everyone is only one thing. First, use the product, sir. If you want to be successful in this business, use the product. Then only you all will be successful in this business. My dear friends, some points, right? I'm going to talk about My Digi World. First, friends, this is the biggest benefit of this product is, till now, what we have done, we used to make distributors We used to go Kochi, we used to go Trivandrum, we used to go Tamil Nadu, Kerala, etc., Akola, or Ahmedabad or Maharashtra. There only we used to make our My Lifestyle distributors. But with this product, we can expand our business globally.
Yes.
It is a very big USP, and I believe, right, my dear friends, till now you all were asking, sir, when My Lifestyle will start our international operations from one country to two countries. But today, with this fantastic product, we're gonna go global. Your friends, your relatives, whom are waiting for opportunity, maybe in Bangladesh, maybe in Saudi, maybe in Dubai, maybe in Singapore, maybe in Malaysia, maybe in USA, right? And I believe Bobby sir told me there are, I guess, 2 to 3 people whom are from international people.
Yes.
They have joined through My Digital. I want to congratulate them also. A great thank you for them also. Right, my dear friends, it is a huge product. It is, my dear friends, they can buy this product sitting in their country, use this product sitting in their country, and earned in India. It is a very huge USP. You all know, right, my dear friends. After that, who can use this product? Any single person in their family member can use this product. A networker can grow his skill using our product. His wife can learn cooking from Sanjeev Kapoor by using our product. His kids can learn coding, gaming, calligraphing, painting from our My Digi World. His parents can learn yoga, meditation, anything from our product. It is a complete family package. A My Digi World is a complete family package, my dear friends. Hence, I want to tell one thing. This product, I can assure you, today, I can assure you in 1 year's time, if you ask me, My Digi World, till now, we have subscribed. This is an internal thing, but I'm telling you, everyone, till now, we have subscribed more than 5,000 people all over India within 1 month, and more than 150 people from abroad have joined our business. It is a big USP for our system, and in coming days, I am challenging anyone. I'm telling you, anyone, in coming days, in next 5 years, my lifestyle mission and vision is very clear. Today, if you see, we have around 110 products. Today, we have around 110 products. In coming days, by 2025, you see, we will have more than 200 plus best world class products, best home use products,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
After that, one more key thing. Today, we have all over India, we have around 600 or 610 PUCs all over India, right?
Yes.
In coming days, by 2025, you will see all over India, will have more than 950 to 1,000 people.
950.
Basically, we gonna have our infrastructure grown very large. After that, today, if you see, we have regional offices, 7 regional offices at 7 regional places. In coming time, this is my promise from a next generation, right? In coming time, you will see in every single city, which will give us big business, you will see My Lifestyle office have been there. And the new era regional manager will be also there
Excellent.
for your help, right? This is the future thinking of My Lifestyle. By 2030, my thinking, my management's thinking is to be world top 10 direct selling companies in entire world This is my promise to everyone. And after that, my lifestyle mission and vision is very clear. My lifestyle vision is to get pin to plane all products. My lifestyle vision is always one thing, to touch million people's heart by offering them a good health and a good wealth. So thank you so much, Tin. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai My Lifestyle. Thank you so much, sir. Sorry so much, everyone, for taking so much time.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really an honor to host you, and it was really a wonderful session which give us the insight क्या होने वाला है in the next 3 to 5 years or 10 years, 2030. And sir, we can also promise you one thing, sir. On behalf of our leaders who are present there, we are unable to unmute them. We can promise you, sir, we will be Successbury Global will be one of the key players in your total vision. We will be behind you. We'll be with you. We will create maximum success stories.
Sir, I want to tell you one thing. Everyone, the people who are in first, I'll give the bigger news, then I'll give the smaller news.
Please.
The bigger news, the people who are in NTC rank or CTC rank, right?
Yes.
If your rank right now is NTC or CTC, upgrade yourself to ITC and above, because in coming times, my lifestyle people, I won't tell much more anything about this, but I'll just give a hint. The people, if they, a good news for ITC and above people in next 2 years, it is gonna be a very big news for only ITC and above people in coming days, in coming years. Maybe for some XYZ product, my management will partnership with ITC and Diamonds above.
Wow. Sir,
I won't tell for which product, but only for ITC and above.
Great, sir. Great news.
And in next 4 years, the people who are in TC level people, who are in TC level or ETC level rank, in next 4 years or 5 years, we're gonna do partnership with NTC and above people.
Wow.
For some other thing.
Yes, sir. Excellent.
Right?
Excellent idea.
So, who are in right now NTC level people or CTC level people, my humble request to entire team success glory is one thing, change your rank, try to be ITC as soon as possible. My small message and a hint to everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Our vision is also very prominent, sir. Our vision, when we started 4 years back, without anybody, not even my wife was with us, without positive, we created a vision to be the fastest, to be the biggest, and to be the most professional team in the history of My Lifestyle Marketing or direct selling. And we will promise you, sir, we are promising you, हम उसको आपको वादा कर रहे हैं कि we will be number one. We will be the fastest. We will be, with your blessings. I would like to say 2 words. My wife, Lata Manoj.
Thank you so much, sir. This is the first time I am listening to you so near,
Yes.
so close. So thank you so much. You gave
You
your
made our
valuable,
day.
you gave the valuable time for us, for our team. And from the bottom of our heart, we are thanking and we are promising you the same thing. We will be the fastest. We will play a key role in your the business, in your this thing. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence.
When you are taking it,
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bobby sir is here.
Bobby sir must be here. Yes, he was here. I'll just connect him.
Okay.
Yes, he's here, sir. Sir, you can unmute and.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So it was.
Thank you very much. ഞാനൊരു കാര്യം പറയാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത് വെച്ചാൽ നിഖിൽ ആക്ച്വലി എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ഈസ് നോട്ട് വെൽ. ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇന്നലെ ആള് നല്ല പനിയായിരുന്നു. ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും ആൾക്ക് ആ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ മാറിയിട്ടില്ല. എന്നാൽ കൂടെയും ഇത്രയും നേരം അല്ലെ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി സംസാരിച്ച നിഖിൽ എന്റെ നന്ദി ഒന്നുകൂടെ അറിയിച്ചു കൊള്ളുന്നു. മൈ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ
Successburyയുടെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിന്ന് ഞങ്ങളും വിഷ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. We took so much pain to speak because we can.
What a motivation.
Real motivation. Like father, like son, and we are so excited that our future generations are safe in your hands. and we are really thrilled. And I convey our regards to your father also, Praveen sir also, because we are all very big fan of him and yours also now, and so excited to be in My Lifestyle. So we joined My Lifestyle only because of one name, Praveen Chandan. So our regards to him also. Thank you, Bobby sir, for making this possible. And the journey was really nice 4 years, and next 4 years will be very hectic and really worth traveling. And we
It's
will.
just a beginning, sir. Just a beginning,
It's
sir.
just a beginning. You can promise that you can keep our promise that we will be a diamond team in 2022. 2022, come what may be, we will be a diamond team. Successfully Global will be a diamond team, and we will make yourself proud, and we will be with you for international, because we are really looking forward for international market. We are creating a team of Y Army, that is our next generation, for launching international markets. We started recruiting that people, and we are running some programs like Y Army is a very ambitious project for us to launch international markets. We are going to teach them English. We are going to teach them how to present themselves in Dubai or Malaysia and Philippines, because we know that with the youth like you, it can go very fast. Praveen sir, ऐसे ही fast है तो आप उससे भी fast है, तो we have to be faster than all you guys. So we are really geared up. So thank you very much once again taking this pain. The condition, you take care, sir. And it's your speech really from the bottom of your heart, especially the stories which you shared, personal stories, really made our day, made our year. Thank you once again from the bottom.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. See you very soon in person. We'll come to Chennai. Thank you, sir. Thank you.